Hi, Phil here at the car house in East Yorkshire. Today we're looking around. I got there quick enough. Nice Toyota Auris, so low owners, really good service history, you'll see that in a second. We're also going to look at the features, your condition, but let's make a start. So this is the one, it's the Icon Plus model. It's got the 1.6 petrol engine, and well, I don't need to tell you all about the Toyota engines, we know how good they are. It's finished in this really nice metallic, sort of grey-blue type colour. Got privacy glass to the rear. Alloy wheels sort of matching the paint finish, really stands out. Let's have a look inside. Inside it's your classic Toyota layout. I'm going to jump in and start the car up and we'll go through all the features and things. I just want to show you the interior, mainly to show you got your nice white stitching down your black and grey seats. The feature everyone asks for, part of this model. Good panoramic glass roof. A view from the driver's seat. Your mileage is 85,146. We have multifunction steering wheel. It's got the controls for your sound system, your phone calls. You've also got cruise control. Look on the entertainment system, you do have a DAB radio. We've also got satellite navigation. There we go, and if I pop the car into reverse, you've also got a nice handy rear view camera, if I can ever get my words out. But yeah, lovely interior, really liking the leather bit on the dash. Further down, as you'd expect, given it's 2026, you've got air conditioning, heated front seats, and you've got under there a USB point and a auxiliary input for your music. Your standard charger there. And good news, with the 1.6 engine you get the nice 6-speed gearbox as well. We're going to look at condition, and I normally put a screenshot on for your service history, but we're going to look at the service book on this one instead, because all the servicing has been done at your Toyota dealers. So we've got 2015, 16, 17, 18, looks like it's missed 19, but then you've got 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, so that's August last year. Then as we've bought the car, we have just had the car checked out, we've had it serviced, we've had it MOT'd. So your last service was done 12th of March this year, and your MOT passed, no advisories whatsoever. So we'll go around to look at the condition. I'll try and get as close to the paintwork as I can as we go around. Given the mileage, there's probably a couple of stone chips here and there as you'd expect in any car that miles, but you know, I think it's only had 2 owners from you. It's in lovely condition for the age. Look at your alloys as well. I think we've just had a couple of them painted, so I can tell you now the alloys are unmarked. Really liking the colour. Of the car. Now down the near side. I think this is the wheel we've just had painted. I'll have to check the invoice, but yeah, it's all matte. Really good condition, that one. So you got to see Toyota Auris. So if you've stumbled on this video via YouTube, click the link in the description below, take you through to our website. You'll be able to view 40-50 photos of the car. These videos are aimed at our Auto Trader, Car Gurus and our website adverts. So if you found us on there, you know all about the car anyway. But it is ready to drive away. The car can be yours tomorrow. If you need any further information, leave me a comment, send me a message. We'll see you soon.